To link Coinbase and buy crypto. Start by creating a Coinbase account if you do not already have one. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Get Started button. Then enter your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Coinbase. Next, set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. You will need to provide identification to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for all cryptocurrency exchanges and is required by law. After verifying your identity, link your payment method. Coinbase allows you to link your bank account, debit card, or credit card. To link your bank account, click on the Payment Methods tab and select Link a New Account. Choose your bank from the list of available banks and enter your online banking credentials. Once your payment method is linked, you can buy crypto. Click on the Buy Sell button and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to spend and review the transaction details. Make sure you understand the fees associated with the transaction and the current market price of the cryptocurrency. When you are ready, confirm the transaction. The cryptocurrency will be added to your Coinbase account immediately. You can store your cryptocurrency in your Coinbase account or transfer it to an external wallet. It is essential to keep your Coinbase account and cryptocurrency secure. Use strong passwords and keep your computer and mobile devices up to date with the latest security patches. Be cautious of phishing scams and never give out your online banking credentials or private keys to anyone. By following these steps, you can easily link Coinbase and buy crypto. Always do your own research and understand the risks associated with buying and selling cryptocurrency. Coinbase provides a secure and easy-to-use platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. But it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to protect yourself.